2022 and these just don't seem to have changed that much. This is a lot. It's changed that much. Oh my god. Going up?
Yeah, thank you.
5.
Oh, thank you. And then, because like, I was crying, so I was like, hi, is it? Do you recognize me now? Me? Hello, what's going on? I know, it's been so long. She's had a morning too, because like, there's stuff in her, like, well, we was in the car, she was at mine, the first trip, and then obviously, like, we got
and, yeah, I don't have some of these lines before. Pretty sure lots of cars here, despite, the fact that this is, technically a dead shopping mall as car parkers, so there's also one here, there's Queensgate, you can just see the new cinema over there, more buildings under redevelopment due to photo stuff, of course. Hey, let's go, actually. Yeah, this has not really changed in years aside from the occasional button replacements. That's where. Which lifts is it going to be? I'm doing this before. This will probably take a while. Pretty busy. And I just went out. Oh. I'm going back down the ground because I thought there was a security guard in the elevator, but apparently I guess not, so let's have another run in these now that no one else is getting out. Yeah, mate. Okay. So yeah, let's go to we'll go to 4. We won't go to 5 and 6 because these boxes on that floor. It was pretty much the same as the last one. That special phone's different, so that's interesting. It's not in the best state, but yeah, let's get it around. So a mixture of 90s. Oh, we're going up. Okay, this is good. What the? No, not
Go up.
No, I'm going down.
No, go down first.
Thanks. Okay, you can 30 persons. Well, enjoy your day, sir.
You too.
That's my call. So that's interesting. I press the ground, cancel the call, and then, yeah, some stuff happens. But yeah, these others don't seem to have changed that much. And yeah, that's pretty much it.